To me, Wesleyan gave me the foundation I needed to think out of the box. Wesleyan exists to give women, young women, an opportunity not only to find themselves, to develop confidence in themselves, but to encourage them to broaden their perspective and find something as a profession that makes their heart sing. And I was very lucky. I found that after a few years of work, and I thought it was an opportunity to share that going forward. I think as that happens in your life, that you want to find something that provides a legacy for the future. If you ask me one of the reasons I would recommend Wesleyan College to a young woman, it's because of two relatively new programs, the CEO Institute and the Leadership Lab. This is an opportunity that's unique in an educational system, and it will help you craft your skills, it will sharpen your skills, it will expose you to new thoughts, and give you opportunities that traditional classrooms might not provide. I've been committed to working with students for my 35 plus years as a trustee, and I want to see them grow and prosper and hopefully have the opportunities I had in whatever career choice they have. And that's critical, I think, for a female institution. So for me to support Wesleyan and the She Will campaign is a natural. I have a saying in my office that she thought she could, so she did. And that's been my whole life. And I believe a competent, engaging, bright woman can do anything she chooses to do as long as she believes in herself. If you want to come somewhere where your talent can be polished, where your confidence can be developed, and where your heart can be expanded, I think Wesleyan's the place to come. You will not only get educated, but you will become a well-rounded human being that will serve you well for the rest of your life. It seems logical to me as a woman that we should support other women. And what better to do with our funds than to support Wesleyan? She has been supporting women and educating incredible women for hundreds and hundreds of years, from 1836 on. So why wouldn't you help? That's something I ask myself frequently. When I talk with a donor, I say, I'm doing the following. Would you consider helping us? And very often, we have to be reminded in life of all the blessings we've had. And in my mind, Wesleyan's been a blessing to women for hundreds of years and should be able to sustain that going forward, I hope, for at least another 100 years. And if you want to reach out to me and ask any questions as a past alum and our trustee, I'm willing to tell you exactly what I think of the situation and how Wesleyan is prospering under very dynamic leadership and has always had the interests of the student body in their heart for her entire existence. And I would like to see that continue.